Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Take a deep breath in and exhale completely. Every time that you breathe from this moment on, allow yourself to breathe in light and positivity and exhale any negativity and stress. Breathe in the light and breathe out the stress. Do this for a few moments. In this relaxed state, set the intention of love, a warm and glowing light within your heart. This light represents the love you have for yourself, and it is abundant, always replenishing itself no matter how much you share. Bask in the glow of the love for yourself. Breathe it in. And as you do, I'm going to count from 10 to 1. And at the count of 1, you will be in a deeply relaxed state. With each number I count, imagine sinking down into an even more relaxed state, like the gentle ebb and flow of the ocean's waves. 10. Feeling the waves of relaxation wash over you. 9. Each wave takes you deeper into serenity. 8. Every breath is a wave that soothes your mind. 7. Deeper still as calmness envelops you. 6. Your heart beats in rhythm with relaxation. 5. Halfway into an ocean of tranquility. 4. Every cell in your body is bathed in peace. 3. Almost to the deepest state of relaxation. 2. Feeling profoundly calm and centered. And 1. You have arrived at a place of deep, complete relaxation. Feel the light coming from your heart. See this light as it fills every part of your being, affirming that you are worthy of love and respect. As this light grows, it creates a warm aura around you, a radiant energy of self-love that you carry with you. As this energy shines from you, it touches others, sharing warmth and kindness. Repeat to yourself, I am a source of love and positivity. My self-love is a gift that I freely share with the world. As I love myself, I empower others to do the same. Love flows from me naturally, enriching my relationships and encounters. My love is a catalyst for positivity and change in the world. Now imagine this light expanding beyond your aura, reaching out to others. See it touching your loved ones, providing them with comfort and happiness. Watch as it reaches strangers, those you pass by in daily life, and see how it uplifts them. Visualize this light spreading further beyond what you can see, touching lives of those far away. Your self-love is powerful. It creates a ripple effect, enhancing lives, healing, and bringing joy. Envision scenarios now where your radiating love creates positive changes. A smile shared with a stranger, a kind word to a friend, or a compassionate act for someone in need. Your love is a beacon, guiding others to find their own light. Remember, as you send this love out, it returns to you magnified. The love you give does not diminish you, it fortifies and enriches you. Feel this reciprocal energy as a warm embrace surrounding you. In a moment, I'm going to give you a series of suggestions. Allow these suggestions to penetrate your subconscious mind. You are a vessel of love and kindness, both to yourself and to the world. Your worth is intrinsic and immeasurable. As you fill yourself with self-love, you overflow naturally, extending this love to those around you. Each act of self-care amplifies the love you have to share. With each breath, you inhale self-compassion and exhale self-judgment. You embrace all facets of who you are with unconditional love, understanding that your imperfections are a part of your unique beauty. This self-acceptance radiates from you, encouraging others to love themselves just as fully. Love is the compass that guides your thoughts, actions, and words. It leads you to acts of kindness, both big and small. As you practice self-love, you become a beacon of comfort and encouragement to others, inviting a mutual exchange of warmth and care. The love you harbor within is a powerful force that impacts the world around you. Your self-love is not contained. It ripples outward, affecting change in your interactions, your relationships, and your community. You are a catalyst for positive transformation, inspired by the love you give yourself. You recognize that your journey of self-love contributes to a collective journey of healing and unity. By cherishing yourself, you are better equipped to recognize and celebrate the inherent worth in others. Together, your shared love weaves a tapestry of interconnectedness, empathy, and compassion. In a moment, I will count from 1 to 5, and with each number, you will bring this sense of boundless love back with you to your conscious world. 1, feeling the love in your heart, ready to share it. 2, slowly bringing awareness back to your surroundings. 3, feeling the positive impact of your love on the world. 4, energized with a heart full of love and kindness. And 5, open your eyes, fully awake, ready to radiate love outwardly. Take a moment to reconnect with the room around you, and as you move forward, carry with you this beautiful, loving energy, sharing it effortlessly with all you meet.